recording. If you see, for suppose, uh, just I'm opening one college website. For suppose I'm opening this college website. How it's working? Any idea from your side? How it's working?
So whatever we put the data, it goes to the server and
Yeah. Whatever. If I open any other college also, it's a website. How it's working? What's happening at back end? Just you can say your point of view, sir. Just you can say your point of view. How these websites are going to work?
so you connected to the server now.
I am unable to hear you. Hello. See, normally for this website, they will have some code at the back end. They have some front end code is there. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
they used to deploy this application called in a server. It's only right.
Mm-hmm.
They
Yes.
usually deploy this code in server. Then only its website is going to work. Yeah, at backend they are maintaining some servers. Yeah, this website is running mainly because of at the backend server. Maybe it is a on-premises server or either it is a cloud related server, anything, but mainly because of server only. Yeah, and as per our intro, and these cloud platforms are became famous only in recent years, like last 10 years only they became much popular. But at the early stages of 2000, what we are using, almost many companies what they are using in the early stages of 2000 or before 2000, what they are using, at at that time there is no any cloud platform. What they are using, just they are maintaining on premises data centers, on premises server. Am right? Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, just they need to, they have only option because now only like Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, Google Cloud, different clouds came into picture. But before 2000 and early 2000, they have only option to maintain on-premises data center, on-premises servers to access their applications. See, for that, first of all, they need some data center, because without a data center, it is not possible for them. And in your point of view, what is a data center? Just checking with you. You can say your point of view. Whatever you know, you can say.
It's like the data
Data
center
center
is
is like a big area. Data center is like a big area, or like a big building. In that, they are used to maintain racks, servers, network devices, all the things, in order to form a server to deploy their applications to provide the client. Right? Our main goal is to deploy application and submit to the end user. That is our main goal, right? Hello.
yeah, we can hear.
Yeah, yeah, that's the thing happening. But before cloud, what the thing is happening means, they need to maintain their own data center. They used to maintain their own data center. For that, first of all, they need a large storage area. They need to pay rent, or whatever it may be, and they need to invest more. They need to invest more to maintain all these equipment. In that scenario, they need a heavy investment, right? They need heavy investment. Uh, so maybe if it is a MNC company or multinational company like that, they can easily invest and they can manage the budget. But if it is any startup or any middle scale industry, then how are they are going to manage this much of budget and this much of investment? So for that case, they are looking for other alternative. At that time, these cloud platforms became more popular. What they are doing? Okay, what what is the main role of these cloud platforms as per your point of view? Just if you see,
We don't need to purchase any hardware or
yeah, no need to maintain our own data centers.
we
Yeah,
don't need a team to manage our data center.
yeah, no need this
We don't need to
storage.
purchase.
Yeah, no need this storage area and all this equipment. No need to maintain our own data center. Just we can
Mhm.
approach the cloud. What they are doing, maybe it is a AWS cloud or Azure cloud or Google cloud. Maybe it any cloud. What they are doing, they are maintaining data centers globally all over the world. If it is AWS cloud, Azure, any cloud, they are maintaining their own data centers globally all over the world. See, if you see this picture in India, they are maintaining at many regions like in Mumbai they have region. Recently in Hyderabad also they have started data center. If in the USA they have different regions like that they are maintaining globally all over the world and they are providing these cloud services to all the customers just by taking a subscription from them. Okay, just by taking a subscription from them. No need to maintain that much of storage area equipment all these things. It's a huge equipment. That's why just we can approach cloud and you can take a yearly subscription depends upon our requirement and this they will provide a service for us. That the thing is going to be happened and you are seeing right these circles you can consider this circle as a region. Okay, you can consider this circle as a region. Okay, and what is region, you will understand much better. I will share another picture. Availability zone. Just now we have I said that you can consider this one as a region. What is region? Okay, consider this a circle as a region. Okay, inside the region they have multiple availability zones. Okay, for suppose consider this region as a Hyderabad region. Okay, or Mumbai region. In in Mumbai region at one corner they used to maintain one availability zone and second corner maybe west side north side like a different corners they are maintaining different zones like it is a zone 1 in one corner, zone 2 in another corner, zone 3 in other corner. They are maintaining multiple zones in a single region. Okay, what's the thing inside the zones? Inside the zones they are maintaining data center. Already you guys know what is a data center. Okay, just checking with you why they are maintaining multiple zones in a single region. One is enough, right? Why they are maintaining multiple zones? Just say your opinion. No
To
matter.
operate multiple functions.
Come again.
To operate multiple functions, like one zone is handling one
Not like
service and
that.
other is handling.
Not like that. Maybe you got some. You got better, but the main reason is maybe if any issue, if one zone gets down, then other zones will take care. They don't want they don't want a downtime. That's why they are maintaining multiple zones. They don't want to disappoint the customers. They need
For response time also.
yeah, cost also increases.
No,
Charges
no,
will
response time. I'm asking response time.
come
Means
again.
response times. Means I'm saying
Response,
yes, yes,
response.
yes.
I am saying that for suppose if they are maintaining only one zone in the region, if by any chance due to any issue there is a chance of downtime. That's why they are maintaining multiple zones. If one zone is unable to provide, then at that kind of scenario, other two zones will be take care. Their main goal is to provide high availability for the customers. That's why they are maintaining multiple zones inside the region. Did you got what I'm trying to say?
Yes. If I deploy a server in a Mumbai zone,
Hmm.
suppose, and
Yeah,
Mumbai zone is down, and they will provide any other option.
yeah, it's like
Means my server will not does my server will not go down.
see,
You mean to say?
yes, you will understand better. For suppose you are not going to deploy single server for your application. For suppose consider this is your region. Okay, consider this is your region, and inside you have multiple zones. Okay, multiple zones. Okay, these are your zones. You are not going to deploy server in a single region. Like you are going to deploy server 1 there and server 2 there, server 2 there, server 3 there. Then you are going to form these three servers as a group. You are going to form these three servers as a group. You are
Okay.
going to form these three servers as a group. Okay, then what the
Mhm.
thing is going to happen, you are going to connect these you are going to connect these three servers to the load balancer. You are going to connect these three
Okay.
servers to a load balancer. If traffic coming and okay, and if sorry, if any traffic connecting from outside.
If I use load balancer, we should use different zone for second server.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
See, if traffic connecting from outside, first of all it will trigger the load balancer. Then the load balancer will distribute traffic equal to all the servers. And one thing, at the back end you are maintaining multiple servers, not only single server. And that too, each server should be in a different availability zone. And maybe if a chance of one availability zone not work for some time, then other two zones will be take care.
Okay.
Yeah, this kind of scenarios will be there. We will do one by one. No issues, sir. I will cover all the concepts, sir. Like
Okay.
Yeah.
mm, for providing high availability for the customers. 1 minute, charge my laptop. For providing high availability, like maybe one zone is a failure, other two will be provide a service to the customers. All these are interconnected inside the region. That is the concept behind there. I think you are able to see inside the region you have zones. It is a zone 1, zone 2. Inside the zone, it's like a specific area. At that particular place they are maintaining data centers. They are maintaining data center. Already you know what is a data center. What inside the data center we have, it is a large area. They are maintaining storage devices, like network related cables, servers, all the stuff, which is necessary for the companies. All they are maintaining like this. uh, oh, okay, what they are doing, why these guys are maintaining like this? Because these companies are unable to handle all this stuff in their own place, because they are unable to focus 100% on the technical part. They need to have spent some time on these things. So they are not willing to do all these things. They are looking for another alternative. That's why these points are will receive like a grab by this cloud. And they got this idea, like why don't we provide all these things as a rent for all companies, because they are willing to take, right? That's why they are doing like this. And what they are doing means, they are maintaining in their own area. They are maintaining in their own area and providing as a rent, providing as a rent to all the persons who are in need. That's the thing is going there. Now uh, okay, they are providing as a rent. How we are using those services? Because just by creating AWS account, we can able to access AWS services. If we want to use azure azure services, you can create account on Azure cloud. Like that, similarly Google cloud also there. Now in order to access AWS services, we need to create account on AWS dashboard. Just like we are able to create this Facebook account, all these things na, like that. Similarly, we need to open AWS dashboard, and just you can create AWS account, and just you can find how I am reaching their official website. Just I'm selecting signing to the console. Already have this account. That's why I'm using I'm logging with my credentials. If it is any new user, they need to select this option, create new account. Then it will redirect to then it will redirect to other page. There you need to enter all the details. Then after 3 or 4 hours, your account will be activated. As of now, I am logging to my account using my credentials. uh, just you need to create account in AWS dashboard. Once you log in into AWS dashboard, then the account will be appear like this. This is it's like a dashboard. These are the services recently used by me. That's why it is appearing like this. If you want to see all the services, you can select this option, services, all services, and view all services. You can select this one. Then you can check there what are the services providing by AWS. These are the services available in our dashboard. And one more thing, uh, we got access to use all these services. But for suppose in your company, you are using in your company you are using only 10 services in from this from the available things. Then you are going to pay the bill only for the particular 10 services. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
tell me. Maybe we have access to use all these services. Whatever the services we are using, and how much time you are using, for that only we are paying rent. And there is a plans also, like 1 month plan, a 3 months plan, 1 year plan, and for long term plans they are also providing some discount. You can choose whatever option we can depends upon our requirement. Then you can use, depends upon our requirement, we can use whatever we are using. For that they are charging. That's the thing is going. And for your understanding, I will give one other example. And what are the services, what type of services they are providing, what are the things are going to be happened. You can I'll show one other thing. uh, this if you think this picture is visible to all. uh, okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are able to see it.
uh,
Yes, Vinay.
yes, yes, okay. Am I said that a few years back there is no cloud, uh, company has to maintain a own data center. like that na. If the company is maintaining everything at their own place, say they need to maintain networking later, they need to maintain storage, racks, OS middleware, runtime is nothing but maintenance, and application related. If the company had to maintain everything, we can call that one as on premises, we can call that one as a on premises, because everything will be managing by us only. And if you say in a cloud, mainly they are providing three types of services. One is infrastructure as a service, and other two are platform as a service and software as a service. In infrastructure as a service, what the thing is happening, say this networking related and storage servers, all these things we are getting as a rent from the cloud. This part, this backend part, we are getting as a rent from the cloud. And other than the top layer, like this runtime middleware, like it means maintaining, we need to maintain. Even we are getting backend part as a service from the cloud, we need to maintain the server, whether how it is working or not, there is any issue, is any load on that, like we need to maintain. And application later also we need to handle this, top layer we need to handle. If the scenario is like this, then we can call that one as a infra as a service. And one other thing, platform as a service, along with the backend layer, like storage, networking, and all these servers, uh, this maintenance, runtime middleware, this maintenance also handled by the cloud. No need to worry about maintenance, yeah, whether it's running, all these things, everything will be handled by the cloud. Just we need to take care about application part, everything will be handled by the cloud. If the scenario is like this, that is called a platform as a service. And software as a service is nothing but a ready-made application. Everything, it's a ready-made, just we need to pay the rent. And mainly one thing, this infra as a service is somewhat cheap. Cheap means okay, uh, but this platform as a service is more expensive than this infra as a service. And this one is more expensive than this one. I think you got it. This one is more expensive, this one, and this one is more expensive, this one. Like that the scenario will be there. But one thing, in infra as a service, you can think like it is an open flat, it's an open area. Whatever you want, you can build. For example, if you want, if you want double cot, if you want a ceiling, whatever you want, you can make as per your requirement. You can create as per your requirement. It depends upon our wish. You can create our wish. But in software as a service, there is no customization option. Whatever they are providing, for example, if you are buying a ready-made shirt, whatever copy they are providing, you need to use. There is no any customization option, uh, because it is a ready-made option. But if it is a normal one, you can create, depends upon your requirement. That's the thing is going to be happen. I think you got the difference between these three things.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes, got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Mainly, these three types of services providing by the cloud depends upon the company requirement. They are getting access and paying rent to the cloud. Okay. Now, if just see AWS dashboard, these are the services. These are the services providing by AWS cloud. Depends upon requirement we can use. And one thing, these all services are approximately 180 plus are there. No need to learn everything. For suppose, what are the market expectations, like for suppose, you are going to learn this service. Okay, you are going to learn this service, but in market, this service is not used by most companies. then what is the use for that? Our we are focusing on if we learn any other service, that service need to be used by most of the companies, then only our resume need to be shortlisted. Okay, for that purpose we are focusing on mostly important services, which companies are using this service, like that we can check according to the market expectation. We will learn 10 to 15 services. This in this particular one we will cover some services. In this particular one we will cover some services. In this particular one we will cover some services, depends upon the market expectations. And our resume need to be shortlisted. And for if we are mentioning 10 services in your resume, uh, uh, that need to be used by most of the companies, then only uh, your resume easily your resume will be shortlisted. Or else, for example, if you are using if you are mentioning any random services, then there is a less chance of shortlisting, because I think you got the point. That is the scenario will be there. And here we are dealing with not only AWS but also DevOps. In AWS, everything we learn, it's a manual task. Everything we are going to dashboard and clicking all these things and installing everything we are going to do by manually. And once you got some good knowledge on AWS, then we go with the DevOps. In DevOps, we learn automation, whatever the things we are doing manually in AWS cloud, we will uh, we will do automation on that particular task. Yeah, these things will be happened. There is nothing difference between AWS and DevOps. In For suppose, here we are creating 10 servers by manually, then it will take half an hour or 45 minutes for creating those 10 servers. But in DevOps, by automation, you can do within 5 minutes. That is the different. I think that is the advantage of DevOps. uh, I think you guys have seen the syllabus, what are the tools we are covering. If you have any questions up to here, you can ask me now. If everything is fine, I will go to technical part. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, what about others?
So far, everything is going good. We are able to understand.
Okay, now we are going to this first service is there na, EC2. With EC2 is nothing but here EC2 is there. That's why this full form is Elastic Cloud Computer. We are going to learn some basics on this thing now. By using this service, we can create a servers. uh, just I'm clicking this one and I'm going to instances, and I'm selecting launch instance. There you can create a server. I'm just give assigning name to my server. Whatever you want, you can give. There is no any rules. I can give my name when I also, no problem. Just I'm giving server one, and I'm scrolling down, and it asking which OS you want to in your server. For example, if I want Linux OS in my server, then I can choose this option. If I want Ubuntu, if I want Red Hat, then I can choose a corresponding option. uh, uh, I mostly use Amazon Linux and Ubuntu only. As of now I'm going with Amazon Linux. And instance type, it asking this one, like a T2 micro is there. uh, free trial eligible, and AWS is providing 1 year free trial for personal projects. Personal projects, we can go with this one. Like if this capacity is not enough, then you can choose other type. See, T2 micro, for T2 micro we have 1 CPU and 4 GB memory. The, you got it. This it is providing by cloud from the backend as a service. If it is not sufficient for you, then you can choose other one. So T2 medium have 2 CPU and 4 GB memory. T2 large, like different types are there, depends upon your requirement. You can choose your instance type. And this key pair, it's for security purpose. It's for security purpose. How to create a previously I have key pairs, so I am going with the previous one. If it is a new user, they need to select this key pair, then it will be created. I will explain in the next class all these things. As of now, I am going with this one. And this network settings. If you are going with the default option, then your server is going to create in a default network providing by AWS Cloud. But I don't want to create my server in default network. I want to keep my server in my own network. That's why I'm using edit option. And previously I have created my own network. This is my own network, and this is my own network, this is my own, these are my non, these are created by me earlier itself. That's why when I am selecting, these are appearing in the list. But if it is any new user, for them all these things will not appear. They need to create their own network, then only they will appear. We will discuss about this part in the next classes. As of now, I am selecting my own network. If I am selecting this network, and inside the VPC we have a subnet. Subnet is nothing but a small network inside the VPC. There you need to choose this one. I am choosing subnet 1. And I need to assign public IP for my server, because as of now we need public setup and security group also. If we are choosing this option, then it will create a new security group. But I don't want to create a new security group. I can go with my existing security group, so I am going with this option. Then I need to choose, this is my security, I'm selecting this one. If I launch the instance, then my instance will be, uh, instance is nothing but server. My server will be started. I think you it's better to know in architecture level for better understanding. Like what is server, what is this VPC. Okay, what is this VPC, what is this subnet, and what is the security group, all these things I will explain architecture level. Then that will help you for a better understanding. We just launch the instance. Then it will take a few minutes for to be in a running state. uh, we will see in architecture level. Paint, uh, you will understand now what is server, what is VPC, what all these things you will understand. uh, think this one as like connect this one as a Kedari VPC. You can think like that. Kedari VPC. Okay, this is my VPC. And inside the VPC I have subnets. It's not a constant number, just I'm giving you example. It's not a constant number. Okay. Just I'm drawing for example, it doesn't mean inside the VPC have only three subnets. There is no any particular rule. I am explaining you just with the help of a small diagram, not like only three subnets. It depends upon the requirement. Depends upon the requirement, we have a number of subnets inside the VPC. This is a subnet 1. Subnet 1. Subnet 1. Subnet 2. Subnet 3. Okay, inside the VPC we have subnets, and where is the servers? Inside the subnet we have servers, like these are servers. These are servers, many servers. Depends upon a requirement, we can place a number of servers inside the subnet. There is no any specific rule. And depends upon range also, depends upon range, depends upon size, like that. Size is not like space, it's like a range. Depends upon the range, we can have a number of subnets inside the VPC. And similarly depends upon the range, we have a number of servers inside the subnet. And you can think like this part as it is internet one. Is internet. uh, this is like a gateway. This is like a gateway. This is like a gateway, and from there you are connecting there. uh, I will explain more briefly at the time of a VPC topic. Now just I'm trying to make you understand architecture level. When I am explained with the practical, you will understand more better. When we are discussing about a VPC topic, we will do practically this one. Then that will help you more better to understand. See, the connection will be like this. Uh, mm, from there, these all subnets receive internet access to the servers. It will be like this. And one other thing, security group is there, na. Uh, this is like outbound rules, going outside, going outside. Wait. Internet is there, na. Security group internet is there, huh? Internet. mm, uh, like from outside the environment, this is internet. From outside the environment, if anyone trying to reach uh, trying to reach uh, to our environment from outside, or we are connecting from servers to internet, like this. uh, there is a one security group is there. You can think of this dotted line as a security group. Okay, security group. It what is the purpose of the security group means, it will check the instructions providing by us. It will check the instruction providing by us, like uh, it will compare whether it is safety or not, whether it is within the limits or not. Whatever rules we have defined, it will check, okay, uh, this a particular one is within the rules, like then only it will give the entry pass. If it is within the instructions only, then only it will give the entry pass. If it is not matching, then it will restrict the access for the strangers. uh, and also, if we are connecting to any unknown site, like any unknown things from the server, if it is safety, then only we can easily connect to anything. Otherwise it doesn't allow us to connect, even it is inbound or it is outbound. Everything will be checking by security group. That is the thing will be happened. Now one, once we have created the server, right? For your better understanding, I'll show. I'm trying to show one more time. Launch instance. Launch instance. Just I'm giving any name, random name, and see, it's my OS instance. Keep it. Any questions? Any questions, guys?
No, no.
Everything is fine, or is looking any fast? Everything is fine, or it's going fast?
It's perfect.
It's fine. Everything is fine.
What about others? Okay.
It's fine.
Yeah. Say I'm selecting my options whatever I want, and it asking me. Now I'm trying to create a new server. Just I'm showing you for your better understanding. Say it asking me to which network you are going to, sorry, I'm going to create a server, right? I'm going to create server. Then it asking me network settings, in which network you are going to create your server. It asking like that. I don't want to place my server in a default network. I want to create in my own network. That's why I'm choosing a Kedari VPC. Kedari VPC, as you see this one, right? I am selecting Kedari VPC, but inside Kedari VPC I have different subnets. I have different subnet. So in which subnet I want to place my server, which is in subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3, or subnet 5, subnet 10, in which subnet I want to place my server, that also I need to choose that one. That's why I need to select. Everything is created by me. No one will come for free. I have created VPC, I have created subnets, I have created security groups. We need to do that one. No one will provide. uh, Earlier I have created this one, that's why it is appearing there. If I create 10 subnets, then it will be appearing the list. I have created only these public subnets 3, and these are private. That's why those things are only appearing there. Okay. It asking me okay, you chosen VPC, and which subnet you want to create server. That's why as of now I'm choosing VPC, and I'm choosing subnet 1. Same thing I'm doing practically here. I am going with the subnet 1. Then my new server is going to create in subnet 1. If I choose subnet 2, then my server will be going to create in subnet 2. And I want to enable IP. Also security group. Previously itself I have security group. Then I can choose, we can create many security group. Depends upon a requirement. I can For example, this security group have different rules. This security group have different rules. This security group have different rules. Depends upon the requirement of this particular server. I am choosing this particular security group. Like that, the scenario will be there. Finally, if you launch this option, then your new server will be created. This type of scenario will be there. I think I just shown this diagram because you need to understand architecture level. We can easily connect. That's right. And I think this diagram will help you for understanding better. As of now, if you have any questions, you can ask me, or else I will show you how to connect to our server. Any questions?
No, Vinay. All good.
Okay. Okay. Previously, I'm not going to create a new server because earlier we have created that one. I am using this one. You can see this one. This is my server one, and below we have some options. We have our server has a public IP and a private IP, and my server is running in this particular VPC and this particular subnet. Okay, and at the beginning of the class, I have said na. Uh, region inside we have zones. See, we have this region. These are the regions globally all over the world. Currently I am practicing Sydney region. Okay, Sydney region. Inside the regions have multiple zones. You can do one thing. We have multiple subnets, right? You can create each subnet. Okay, you can create each subnet in a different zone. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. See, for suppose in my region I have three zones, and just I'm saying in my VPC I have three subnets. Then you can create each subnet for each zone. Okay, that is the scenario will be there. If you have three subnets, then you can create each subnet for each zone. If you have six subnets, then you can create two for each. If you have 30, then you can do 10 for each. Like that you can mm, classify, you can distribute. Why? Because you need to cover all the zones in the region. Currently uh, currently my server is running in subnet 1, that is available in 2A, means zone 1. Zone 1. Now we are going to connect to our server. We can connect to our server in a multiple ways. I will show in two ways as of now. Just use this checkbox and use this connect option. Use this connect option. Then there is easy to instant connect option is there. No other options, only this option. Use that one, and you can connect to your server. This is one option. One option. Now we have connected to your server. There you can use commands, linux commands. For example, if you want to install any applications, all this stuff you can do from there itself. This is one method of connecting to our server. I will show another method also. This is one method. Another method. Okay, wait. Wait, sorry, no need to log out. Uh, sudo so uh, okay, we connected to the server, but these letters are not visible for you properly, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, these
It's
letters are not visible to you properly. But we have other method, like we can use a third party tool for connecting to linux server. Just I'm copying my public IP address. Just I'm copying my public IP address, and you can see there my key pair name is Kedari. I'm using a third party tool for connecting a Linux server. Why? Because we have some other advantages using that third party tool, that is a putty. I'm using that one. uh, uh, just I'm copying my public IP address there, and there I'm using SSH method for connecting to my server. SSH authentication. There I need to browse my key pair at the time what key pair is associated with my server. I need to browse that one, Kedari, and I need to open. Then we can connect to my server. Accept. See, we have these colors also. EC2 hyphen default username is EC2 user. I'm using this one. uh, Previously I have saved some settings, that's why it is appearing in colors. You can find I'm going to settings. Settings, see, change settings is there. There you can increase the font size. See, appearance is there. Appearance, font, courier. See, there you can uh, 10 20 whatever you want, you can change the font, increase the font size, you can do. That is the advantage of putty, that's why I'm using it. And if you want any new colors also, I'm going with the colors. I'm going with colors sometimes. If you make this session idle for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, then it will inactive. At that time also we have there is one option, connection option is there. There you can seconds between these things. No need to go with now. At when you are practicing, you are facing these kind of issues. At the time you will got to know. Now you can just see colors and font size. I am going with the colors. There you can also change colors. Uh, uh, just you can change the colors also. Many advantages are there for this third party tool. You can also increase font size, all these things. That's why mostly I'm using putty for classes. But yeah, just you are practicing then you can use this one. No problem, no need to use putty. But
Vinay,
yeah.
excuse, sorry to interrupt. Can you show me the path for this putty one more time? Third party thing.
Yeah, I'm just exit exit. I'm just copying my public IP.
Okay.
Search bar. Previously I have installed putty in my laptop.
Okay. Okay.
uh, it's not freely available. You need to download. Sorry, you need to install from the online. Putty. Putty. uh, See, whether you need to copy, sorry, you need to paste your public IP there.
Okay.
Then SSH authenticate. SSH authenticate. Then the this is a previous one. I need to change my okay. Then I'm browsing my key pair. Open. Then it will be open. It asking my default user. Is it to open user? See, it's done now.
Okay.
Now I will show one other one way also. Same one only, but you will find some difference. See, previously it asking me to enter username, right? But
Yeah.
there I am entering EC2 user directly. I am entering EC2 user at the rate IP address. Okay. Then
Okay.
I am using this plus option and authenticate, and I am using browse option, and it doesn't ask me. It will directly log in. It doesn't ask me. See, it doesn't asking me name. It directly log in.
Okay. Okay.
Like
Got it.
this. And if you want some other advanced features also there, just I'm copying. I'm going to putty. Uh,
Eh.
Say, I need to save the setting there. Okay, I need to save. First of all, whatever settings you want, you can save. Go to appearance. You can add some font size. Go to colors. You can do one thing. Everything you can do. Okay. finally you need to save the settings there. Okay, hello.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Whatever changes you want, you need to set everything there. Okay, you need to set everything there. Then you need to enter name there. You need to enter name. Then you need to save your options there. Then directly you can use. Okay, see, previously I have I have saved this one. Now I'm using this one. Easy to user. I'm using, previously I have changed saved this setting. I'm using select load, and okay, load, then it will came to here now. Now I'm using directly. See, I'm not browsing my key pair, I'm not doing anything, just I'm using directly. I think you find the difference. See, directly it's coming. Color also change na.
Yeah.
Yeah, previously it's coming orange color, but uh, it is another setting, like it is another option I have saved there. Many things are there, many things are there, that's why I am preferring a putty. We can learn many things there. Mm, we can connect to the server, you can practice. Any questions you can ask me now. uh, any questions?
no, Vinay.
As
No
of
idea.
now we have done with some basic part and technical part, like how to connect to the server. Just I give some intro about this. If you have any questions I will explain. And okay, we will discuss about some other things also. What are the market expectations? And if you see this one, in the market we have different clouds, AWS cloud, my Azure cloud is there, Google cloud, Oracle cloud, different clouds are there. But if you, as per the graph, AWS is in a top position. But nowadays this Microsoft also somewhat becoming equal to AWS. It's also became more popular now, Microsoft. Most of the guys are preferring AWS because AWS is providing a pay as you go model, because whatever we are using we need to pay for that one only. But if you see, Google cloud is somewhat expensive, and it is somewhat better. But in AWS if you say in some particular services, we have some advantages are there. That's why most of the guys are preferring AWS. This one also better, Azure also better, somewhat better to AWS. uh, in market most of the guys are using like this. And uh, and demand wise, I will show other one also. mm, GCP cloud, also instance. Okay, Google cloud. As I said that in the last 15 years, many companies are using cloud na. uh, in the earlier stages, they are maintaining their own data centers. But after that, they are moving to cloud. They are stopping their on premises data centers, they are moving to cloud. uh, you will find, I think this graph will help you better. If you see, in the last previous years, many companies are moving to cloud in the last few years, because due to the many advantages available. uh, as per my knowledge, in still some of the companies are maintaining their on-premises data centers and on-premises servers. If you see, IRCTC website is there. They are also those website is also running in on-premises servers. In my previous project, I worked for Open VMS server. Uh, uh, we are running for IRCTC website only, and there in some in IBM also they are running AS400 servers. They are maintaining in on premises only. Maybe like some other things are there. Maybe these servers are becoming too old. Maybe in the next few years. I am giving some examples. I am giving some examples. Maybe in next few years. They are also they have also chance to move to cloud, like I given two examples. Maybe in the next 5 to 10 years, some other companies who are maintaining on premises data center, on premises server, they also move to cloud. At that kind of scenario, uh, there is a chance of much demand for cloud, more openings on the cloud. Like a I have said some market demand of openings, and I have also given some comparison for other clouds about AWS. Like if you have any other questions, you can ask. Yeah, any questions you can ask me. I will explain.
No, all good, Vinay, from my end.
Yeah. Any questions, guys? Hello. Uh, like
Yeah,
yeah, tell me.
everything is clear, Vinay.
Yeah, okay. No doubts, right?
No,
No.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Uh, okay, if you don't have any questions, we can end the session, and you can discuss with Pawan. You can share about feedback.
perfect, Vinay.
And what about what timings are better for you if you are continue for the batch?
Oh, I am already continuing in the batch.
Okay, okay. What about others? Are
So
you?
it is a regular classes or it is a weekend classes?
Yeah, yeah. Currently, regular batches are going on. We are also planning for a weekend batch also.
Okay.
Mm.
I think I'm comfortable with the regular classes itself. Like it is for 1 hour, right?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Okay, okay.
If it is a weekend batch, then the duration will be long,
Long. Okay, okay,
because
got it.
Saturday, Sunday, no, the class will be 2 hours,
Yes.
2.5 hour like that, 2 days.
Okay.
Mm. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. We can end the session. Yeah, thanks for connecting, guys.
Yeah, sure. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Vinay. Thank
Have
you
a
so
great day.
much.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, thank you.